Yes, I'm doing it. I'm Ubering from Johannesburg to Cape Town. I'm scared.
Libali elimangazayo lokusuka eRhawutini ngo-Uber ukuya eKapa. Kodwa intandane ka-YouTube neliqhula uTsoanelo Moyo ukwenzile oku eqhutyelwa nguDarling Ndaba.
I honestly don't know what the Uber driver was thinking when he saw that, because if I was the Uber driver, I wasn't going to accept it to Cape Town.
Esisibini sichithe iiyure ezili-16 endleleni besenza ikilometers ezi-1,400.
Darlington he was a vibe. Darlington was a vibe. Darlington was a vibe the first 2 minutes. You see, when we just got to the first filling station, it was in Joburg still. We spoke about a lot. We spoke about football. We spoke about the journey itself, saying, are we really doing this, guys? Like, are we really going to get there?
Kwelakhe icala umqhubi uthi ebecinga ukuba esi sicelo siyindlalo nje.
Okay, normally when a request comes, you will see it. Like, we're always looking at our phones. So as it says 40 plus long trip. You see, but it doesn't specify to say Cape Town or what, but it says 40 plus long trip. So normally when it says 40 plus, you jump on top of the phone, you press the phone because you don't want it to pass.
Good morning, I've arrived. Guys, good morning. I've arrived.
Esisibini sithi nangona imizimba ibidubekile kukudinwa kodwa balonwabele uhambo lwabo.
Cape Town! Beautiful! Cape Town!